How to block people on Messenger. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can block someone on Messenger. So in order to start, simply launch your Messenger application by tapping onto the app icon, and once the Messenger application opens, you will need to go to that particular person whom you want to block. So for example, let's say I want to block this particular chat or this particular person. Then now in order to block, what I can do is simply click onto this I option at the top right corner of my screen, and once I will do this, I can simply scroll down from this menu, and from here at the bottom I will see this option that says block. So simply click onto this block option, and from here it will do the following thing. It will unfriend them from Facebook, it prevents unwanted contact, and they won't be notified. So if you want to proceed, you can click onto this block and their name option, and they will be blocked. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.